Get your vacuum cleaner ready, Betty.
Is this still good?
Yeah. Maybe it will fit, maybe it won't.
Maybe it'll fit, maybe it won't.
Yeah. That's the insulation. That's an insulation blanket.
The other one, the new one doesn't come with the blanket?
No.
No.
But we can maybe be able to use this. So you're vacuuming out all the old dirt, is that it? You're getting all the old dirt? Huh? Was there any money under there? But any gold doubloons?
Nice camera.
Yeah, nice. Just about ready to slide in our new dishwasher there. Yep, that fits. Very good. Excellent here. We have Brian's boys do the work and it all comes out just fine.